In the name of Almighty God, I am Master Sangosha, and today I want to that you solve these questions, which is related to the Newtonian's law. We see that we have three blocks of masses m1, 2m, 3m are suspended from the ceiling using ropes as shown in the diagram. Which of the following correctly describes the tension in the three rope segments labeled T1, T2, T3? And here we wanna calculate that how much they are carry as a tension and which one is much bigger than another one, or are all of them carrying the same tension. So in order to solve this question, we need to refer to the third law of the Newtonian, which says that any actions has the same reaction in the opposite section. You see that they are hanging from the ceiling, and this hanging from the ceiling is by the aid of the string, and these strings are related to each other, and you see that these blocks are related to a specific part of the string. And we want to know that which string carried much or all of these are carrying the same. So the first thing is that we know that the string tension is equal to, as you see here in examples that we see in the physics GRE, as we see the string tension divided by the gravitational is equal to the mass. So if we want to solve these, for example, we have a T1 is equal to mass divided by gravitation, m divided by g. For T2, we have a for T1, for T3, for example, for T3, we want to calculate it. For T3, we have a 3m divided by g. I can write it for you, and you can guess that which one is carrying them, which sort of these options are correct. For example, if I write the T3 is equal to the 3m divided by g, but T do tension string is carrying, as you see, 2m plus 3m. I included them inside the parentheses, and then multiply by g, and T1 is equal to, such as inside the parentheses, multiply by g, and this one. So we have a T1, T2, T3. T3 is 3m divided by g. Here we have 5m divided by g, and here we have a 6m divided by g. G is the gravitational of this Earth is 9.8 meter per square second. And here, as you see, we omit the G, and you see that the T3 has 3m, T2 is carrying 5m, and T1 is carrying 6m divided by G. So which one is much more bigger than another one? So absolutely T1 is carrying the much more. But I wanted to that you solve this. You also can go and use it for your assignment and homework, and use this formula for yourself and think about it. Firstly, this section we are using from the third law of the Newton. Any action has a reaction same, but at the opposite section. So you see that T1 is carrying all these mass blocks, but T2 are carrying these two mass blocks, and T3 just one mass block is carrying. So and for tension string is that we divided the mass is equal to mass divided by gravitational. So we see that the T1 is carrying too much, and also you can go to your homework or use it as your assignment and solve it by your own self. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial video until the end. Today is the 10th day of the May 2026. Time is 4:47 a.m.